I just wanted to share with you a quick tip on how to create textures maps in Textura. So actually, this process is pretty simple. All you need to do is hit plus for the new material. And here you have create material from scan images. Textura AI is designed to detect scan fabric images. So I'll hit the plus button here. I'm going to choose this fabric here. It will upload my scan image. This one detects the resolution. If it doesn't, you can always fix that number here if you need. Now the image that I just uploaded is already tiled. If your image is not already tiled, you can also use our tiling tools in order to crop, align, in order to tile your fabric. Since this fabric swatch here is already ready to use, already tiled, all I need to do is hit create material. And actually that's it. Textura will send your fabric for processing for you. And once it's ready, you're going to see it as a ready fabric. I'm going to show you the tile that we just uploaded. It's in our public material library that is also available for you for download fabrics. Now here, once the fabric is ready, this is how you're going to see it as a fabric material. If you're going to take a look at it 2D, you will get albedo, normal, specular, you will get all the maps right here, ready to be used. And the download formats are here. If you click that button, you can have the option to download as zip, U3MA, substance file, or GLTF at your choice. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip and see you in Textura.